Welcome, my friends. This is Dr. James Carter. If you are over 60, I want you to listen very carefully because what I'm about to share with you can change how you move, how you feel, and how you live every single day. You see, many people believe that once you reach a certain age, losing muscle is just a part of life, that your strength will simply fade and there's nothing you can do about it. But that is not true. Science has proven it. Your body is capable of rebuilding muscle even well into your 70s, 80s, and beyond. And why does this matter? Because muscle is more than just strength. It is your shield against falls. It is your engine for burning calories. It is your secret weapon for independence, energy, and confidence as you age. Think about this. Every step you take, every time you get up from a chair, every time you carry groceries, hug a grandchild, or simply climb the stairs, your muscles are working for you. Without them, life becomes harder, smaller, and more limited. But here's the truth. You can rebuild muscle after 60. Yes, you can. And today I'm going to show you 5 powerful moves that will keep your body strong, steady, and alive with energy. These are not complicated. You don't need a gym. You don't need fancy machines. You only need your body, a little bit of space, and the belief that it is never too late to take back your strength. So before we dive in, I want you to make a decision right now. Do not accept weakness as your future. Do not let age dictate the story of your health. You are stronger than you think, and today you're going to prove it to yourself. In part 1, let's start with the first move, one of the most important for every adult over 60. Move number 1, the sit to stand. This simple exercise mimics one of the most essential movements of life, getting up from a chair. It trains your legs, your balance, and even your core. Studies show that adults who can perform multiple sit to stands without using their hands are more likely to stay independent as they age. Here's how to do it. Sit on a sturdy chair, feet flat on the ground, cross your arms over your chest, slowly stand up, pressing through your heels, then lower yourself back down with control. Do this 10 times, rest, then repeat. It may sound simple, but this one move alone can build the foundation of strength you need for every day. Remember this, every repetition is a vote for your future. Every time you choose to move, you are telling your body, I am not done yet, I am still strong, I am still growing. That's the mindset we're building here. Strength in the body, strength in the mind, strength in the spirit. Now let's dive into the first move. Move number 1, the sit to stand. This is one of the simplest yet most powerful exercises for rebuilding muscle after 60. Why? Because it directly strengthens your legs, hips, and core, the exact muscles you need to stay independent. Here's how you do it. Sit in a sturdy chair, cross your arms over your chest, or keep your hands on your thighs for support. Slowly stand up, then sit back down under control. Do this for 10 to 15 repetitions. You might think that's too easy, but studies show that just practicing this movement consistently can drastically improve balance, prevent falls, and strengthen the lower body. And remember, falls are one of the biggest risks for older adults. The stronger your legs, the safer you are. Cut to Dr. Carter smiling, encouraging tone. If you can't do it without using your hands, that's okay. Start where you are. Over time, your muscles will rebuild and you'll be amazed at the progress. Move number 2, wall push-ups. Now, let's strengthen the upper body, your chest, shoulders, and arms. These muscles are critical for daily tasks like carrying groceries, pushing a door open, or even hugging your grandkids. Here's how. Stand facing a wall, arms straight out, place your palms flat on the wall at shoulder height, step your feet back a little, slowly bend your elbows and bring your chest toward the wall, then press back to starting position. Aim for 10 to 12 repetitions. This exercise protects your joints because you're not lowering your full body weight, but you're still strengthening the muscles that keep you active and mobile. Cut to Dr. Carter with energy. Remember, strength after 60 isn't about bodybuilding. It's about reclaiming control of your body, building confidence, and giving yourself the power to live life on your own terms. Move number 3, seated bicep curls. Your arms may not feel as strong as they once were, but this simple move will bring back strength fast. Strong arms mean you can lift, carry, and hold onto things safely. Here's how. Sit tall in a sturdy chair. Hold a light weight or even a water bottle in each hand. Keep your elbows close to your sides. Slowly curl the weights up toward your shoulders, then lower them down with control. Do 10 to 15 reps. This isn't just about muscles, it's about independence. From opening jars to carrying groceries, stronger arms keep your daily life easier and pain-free. Move number 4, heel raises. Now, let's target the calves and ankles, the foundation of your balance and walking power. Weak ankles are a hidden cause of falls, but this move will strengthen them fast. Here's how. Stand behind a chair and hold it for support. Keep your feet hip-width apart. Slowly rise up on your toes, lifting your heels off the ground. Then lower back down under control. Aim for 12 to 15 reps. Cut to Dr. Carter speaking with energy. This simple move not only strengthens your calves, but also improves circulation in your legs, which is key for anyone dealing with swelling, varicose veins, or diabetes. Cut back to Dr. Carter, smiling confidently. See how simple these moves are? But don't mistake simple for weak. Each repetition is rebuilding your strength, one muscle fiber at a time. Move number 5, seated knee extensions. Your thighs are your power muscles, the ones that get you out of a chair, up the stairs, and walking strong. Let's fire them up. Here's how. Sit tall in a sturdy chair. Place your feet flat on the floor. Slowly straighten one leg out in front of you, tightening your thigh. Hold for 2 seconds, then lower back down. Switch legs. Do 10 reps per side. These extensions strengthen the quadriceps, which protect your knees and give you the confidence to rise, walk, and move without hesitation. Move number 6, marching in place. Finally, we'll finish with a total body energizer. This gets your blood pumping, improves balance, and strengthens your hips. Here's how. Stand tall, holding a chair for support if needed. Slowly lift one knee as high as you can, like you're marching. Lower it down, then lift the other knee. Keep a steady rhythm, like a gentle march. Do this for 30 to 60 seconds. This move improves your walking strength, keeps your joints flexible, and builds endurance, so you can enjoy life without feeling held back. There you have it. 6 simple moves to rebuild muscle, restore balance, and regain confidence in your body after 60. Remember, you're not too old, it's not too late. Your body is waiting for you to give it a chance to get strong again. Do these exercises just 3 times a week, and in a few weeks you'll feel stronger, steadier, and more alive. Your future strength is in your hands. Start today, because every rep is a step. You've just learned 6 powerful, safe moves to rebuild muscle after 60. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about consistency. Even a few minutes, a few times a week can transform your strength, balance, and independence. If you found this video helpful, don't just stop here. Your health journey is only beginning. Try these moves today. Share this video with a friend who needs encouragement. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel, where every week we bring you trusted health advice designed especially for older adults. You've got more strength inside you than you realize. Take care of your body today, so tomorrow it can take care of you. Stay strong, stay steady, and I'll see you in the next video.